Hello and welcome back to Leah Labs. Today we are gonna create a pod. We're gonna create the namespace and we're gonna put the deployment in that namespace and we're gonna set some replica sets also, and we're gonna create a service and we're gonna open our pod in the browser. So everything that you've seen in the previous videos, we're gonna do it today in one single video, right? So let's first create a namespace. All right, kubectl create ns. I'm gonna go with nginx. All right, our namespace is now created. All right, so we're gonna put a deployment on that namespace. Kubectl create deploy. All right, and the name of the deployment, I'm gonna go with nginx. You can choose what you like, and we're gonna put it in the, and you're gonna go minus n. It stands for namespace, and you can also write namespace if you like. I prefer to do it like that. And the name of the namespace, which was mine was nginx. And we're gonna do the Docker image nginx. Much nginx today. All right. So now we have directed the pod to the nginx namespace that we just created, and now we're gonna set some replicas. So I'm gonna go with 3 replicas. So now my deployment is created. So now let's see if we got any pods up and running. Kubectl get pods. Oh, nothing. Kubectl get deploy. I don't even got any deployment, and we just created one. That's because we put that in the namespace that we just created. So let's see if they are up and running. So the name of the namespace, kubectl get pods minus namespace and then nginx. Let's see. Yes sir, we got 3 pods up and running. All right, so that's good. Everything works as it should. So now we're gonna create a service. All right, kubectl expose deploy for deployment. All right, the name of the deployment nginx, and you cannot forget the n minus n and direct to your namespace. Mine was nginx, as we talked about before, and port, we're gonna go with port 80, and type of service, we're gonna go with node ports. So now our service is created. Let's see our service. Kubectl get service namespace nginx. Here we got it. All right, so everything works fine. So now we're gonna open up the pod that we just created to the browser, and we're gonna get the welcome letter from nginx. All right, minikube service. In the previous video, we just did minikube and the service and the name of the pod of deployment that we created, but now we're gonna go with the name nginx and in which namespace. We must type in the namespace, otherwise it will not work. So we hit enter, and now the magic starts, and let's see. Yes sir, we got that in the browser. All right guys, so that's all for today. We saw everything, we combined everything that you've seen in the previous videos into one video, and how everything connects. So yeah, that's all for today, my guys. Have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.